Hi friends, welcome to AWS Devops sessions. In this session, we are going to learn about how we are going to work with Ansible with the help of Playbook. In the earlier session, we had learned how we are going to work with Ansible with the help of Ad-Hoc commands and modules. But in this session, with the help of Playbook, how we are going to automate the tasks in Ansible, we are going to learn each and everything. First of all, we just need to understand what do you mean by playbook, and inside of the playbook, what the content we have. As you know, if I want to use more than one module, that will be called as modules. Generally, module is used to perform the single task. But if I am going to use multiple modules, then how I can be able to do? That is nothing but playbook. Playbook is nothing but collection of modules. And in which language it has been written? It is written in the AML script. As you know, AML script is a key value pair based. It is very easy to learn, and at the same time, with the help of the playbook, we can be used to automate the tasks. And if you want to understand about the roles, first of all, you need to understand what we are going to write on the Ansible, how we are going to develop the script in AML in order to automate the task. If you understand clarity about the playbooks, then it will be quite easy for you to understand the concept of roles. Okay, and in Ansible playbook, what the main things are there? In order to get it, just please have a look here. Playbook is mainly divided into three parts. One is target session. So what do you mean by target session? Suppose if you consider the scenario, I have my organization. In my organization, I have 100 servers, and from one Ansible server, I am going to manage the configuration among all those 100 servers. Here the target session comes under on which node I am going to execute this. So that the target node will be considered as a target session, variable session. And here we are going to declare the packages on the variable session. And at the same time, generally where we are going to use the variables, if any content is repeatedly happening in the script, instead of doing a repeated manner, I am going to declare in the variable session once. I can be used for the multiple times. That is a majorly purpose of variable. Here also in the similar way, instead of declaring each and every package, I am going to use the variables if it is required. And task. Task is nothing but what we are going to perform. Whatever the things, whatever the task which I am going to perform on the target environment, I am going to mention in the task section. The same will be performed over the targeted servers. Just quickly understood, if I want to install the Git package, here the variable section is not required. Based on the scenario, I can be add the variable session, I can be remove the variable session. But here in the scenario, in order to install the Git package, I didn't have any requirement of variable session. Simply just understand, and any AML script start with the three hyphens, enter. And here, if you think about these first two lines, this is nothing but target session. Here, on which host I need to execute these tasks. Here I just mentioned all, means in all the servers which are connected under the Ansible server, I need to perform these tasks. Okay. If you want to perform the task on the target server, you need to be admin or you need to be root user. Here I mentioned become yes. Here I just become a root user. So that's why I'm going to mention become yes. Fine. Here the target session is done. So here in the task section, I'm going to mention what the things need to be performed over the target server. Here my requirement is what? I just need to install the Git package on the target environment. Installing Git on target environment or server. Okay, and action. Here I am going to use the action module. As you know, Ansible is equipped with n number of modules. Action module, command module, raw module, user module. We have there n number of modules are there. So based on the scenario, I am going to use the concern module. Here I am going to use the action module. In order to install the package, as it is a Red Hat flavor, I am going to use M. Suppose if the mission is Ubuntu or Debian, I am going to use the apt, and the package which I am going to install is Git. That's why I am going to mention name is equal to Git. Here we have the state. Based on the state, it will be either it will be installed, or it will be removed, or it will be updated. So based on the state, so I'm going to copy all the content. So here I need to execute on the Ansible server, as I had already set up my Ansible setup over the AWS. Just quickly log in into the AWS console. Right now I'm going back to the EC2 dashboard. Here I have the three servers. One is Ansible server, and I have the another two client servers, that is nothing but dev server and the test server. Okay, and if you observe here, what is the public IP of Ansible server? 29.147. At the same time, I had already connected to all the three missions with the help of SSH client, that is nothing but mobile XTOM. So the first one is Ansible server, and the second one is dev server, and the third one is test server. Okay, from Ansible server, if I am going to execute the playbook, automatically the tasks which I had mentioned over the playbook, it need to be executed on the targeted servers. How that will be done, everything we are going to discuss or see in the practical session. Right now, I just need to go to the multi-exec mode. Here, as you know, in all the missions, I just log in as a root user, but I just need to log in as an Ansible user, where I had already created the user Ansible, and Ansible is have the rights just like root user, and I am going to log in as a Ansible user. What is the command in order to log in as an Ansible user? Not only Ansible user. If you created a user like admin, you can log in as an admin. For my lab purpose, in order to better understanding, just for the reference purpose only, I created the user with the name of Ansible. Okay, Ansible, whatever the username which you had created, you just mention like that, su Ansible. Then you will be logged in as a Ansible user. And if you type, just exit from the multi-exec mode. Okay, here right now you are logged in as an Ansible user. In all the missions, you are logged in as an Ansible user. Okay, go to the Ansible server, just type LL. Do you have any files right now with you? No. I am going to create one play.yml. This is otherwise I can mention master.yml. Okay, enter. And once you had entered into the any file, if you want to insert anything, just press I. And the thing which I had copied, just copy and say paste here. Okay. Right now, by executing this playbook, what it will doing, it is going to install the Git package on the targeted servers. Okay, press escape, semicolon, WQ in order to save the file. And what is the command in order to execute the playbook? Ansible -playbook space. What is the playbook file? Just now I had gotten a master.yml. It is the YAML file. Simply enter. It is going to execute the playbook. Here if you observe the missions, it is going to execute 29.72. Here 29.72. And it is going to execute 28.107. 28.107. This is dev server, this is test server. Is it installed the Git package on the target environment or not? Yes. If you observe here, it is going to show in the green color. Whenever you have the package is already installed on the targeted server, it is going to seen in the green color. Otherwise, it is going to show some other color like yellow color. Okay, fine. Right now I had successfully installed, but my scenario has been changed. I just want to remove the Git package from the targeted servers. How I will be able to do that? Simply by doing the modification to the YAML file, you will be able to uninstall the Git package from the targeted servers. So simply type vi master.yml, enter. Insert mode, press I. Okay. Here what I am going to do? Here I am going to change. What is the name? Install. I am going to mention here remove. Okay. Come down and m name git state is equal present. If I make the state is equal present, it will be installed. But here my requirement is to remove. So that's why I am going to mention as absent. Okay. Here it will be executed on all the hosts, and I have just logged as a root user, and here my requirement is to remove the git on the target environment or server. Action is state is equal to absent. Okay, press escape, semicolon W. I am going to execute the playbook once again. Just press up arrow, then automatically whatever the commands which you had executed previously, it will be displayed in the list wise. Then select the required command which you want to execute. Here I am going to execute the playbook. Enter. Then it is going to remove git on the target server. Is it changed or not? Yes. That's why it is not showing in the green color. It is removed right now. Again I want to install. How? Again go here, and so right now my scenario has been changed. I'm going to install the git. Okay, go to insert mode, presc and present, install. Okay, press escape, semicolon WQ, and at the center execute once more. Here in the earlier command, when I executed, it is showing in the green color because of the git package has been already installed on the target server. But right now I had successfully deleted the package. Freshly I am going to install the git package. So for that purpose, if I execute this playbook, it is going to shown out in the yellow color. Just wait, I am going to show it to you. The color has been observed. Earlier it is in the green color, but right now it has been turned out into the green color because of earlier the package has been already installed, but right now I am going to install on freshly. So that's why the yellow color has been appeared here. Hope you guys understood. Fine. Here I have one more query. So instead of mentioning each and everything, so right now I just want to install the required packages with the help of variables. So how I can be able to do that? Just please have a look on it. So I am going to make the use of same file, but I just made some modification to the YAML file in order to make use of variables. Again type vi master.yml. Okay, vi master.yml. Enter. Here just go to insert mode. Here I am going to mention install required packages on targeted environment or server. Okay, here instead of name, what I am going to set, some A. Okay, just please observe the same here. Name is equal to A. Okay, here just come straight. Here just please have a look on it. If you observe here, m name is equal to A. A must be anything. Suppose if I want to install the Git package, I just make a is equal to Git. If I want to install the tree package, I just make a is equal to tree. If I want to install the Docker, I just make a is equal to Docker. Whatever the thing which I had mentioned a variable, based on that the concerned package will be installed on the targeted server. Just please have a look on it. Okay, just please have it clearly observe. Here I am not mentioning any package, I am just simply mentioning a. The a value must be any package. So based on the name which I had put, that concerned package will be installed on the targeted server. Okay, just press escape WQ. And if I want to execute, how I will do that? Ansible hyphen playbook space, what is the YAML file? Master.yml. Here I am going to use the variable section now. So that's why hyphen extras hyphen vars. Here I am going to mention a is equal to, here I am going to install the tree package. So before executing this command, please have a look on it. It has a tree architecture or not? No. Here if you observe, in the dev server the command is not executed because of the tree package has not been installed. Here in the dev test server as well, you can check. No. Just go to here. Here I am going to execute the playbook, the master.yml, by mentioning the variable a is equal to tree. Enter. Check whether it has been installed or not. No, there is some error. So where the error is? So I just need to check where the error is. Ansible, okay. Okay, first open the file and va master.yml. Fine, host all s. Okay, task install required packages on the target inventory. Okay, action is equal to yum. Okay, just please have a look here. So action m name is equal to, fine. So what the mistake I had done here? Okay, m name is equal to state present and set mode. Install the required package. Okay, yeah, fine, there is no error. Here I am going to execute the playbook Ansible hyphen playbook master.yml hyphen extra hyphen vars. Okay, a is equal to tree. Fine, enter. Yes, it is going to execute. Had I observed? And if you want to check the same, type tree. Here it is showing or not? Yes, it is showing right now. And if you want to check the same over the test server as well, no, it is not showing. So we just need to check what issue is going on. So 28.107. Okay, so here 28.107. Okay, unreachable. So what happened to the test server? So if I want to check cd .sh, maybe there is no reaching. So why it is not reachable? We need to check. Cat. We need to check from cat known underscore host. In this file we can be able to find. Yes, here under the known files it is there. 172.31.28.107, the same IP. 172.31.29.72. Yes, the same IP. Okay, cd and ssh I can be able to check whether I can be able to log in or not. Ansible at the rate 172.31.28.107. Yes, I can be able to log on from my server. Means the SS connection has been done. It is already existing. I just need to exit. Then why it has, maybe there is some issue. Again, if I execute the same step, surely it will be okay. It's need to be executed. Yes. Change one. Okay, okay. Yes. Just please have a look on it right now. Enter the tree command. Had you observed it? Yes. Here in this way you can check the connection. If you sometimes maybe some node is not responding, you need to check whether that particular node has been successfully connected to the Ansible server or not. Is the SN connection has been established or not? Is that node has been reflected on the known host or not? So this is a simple troubleshooting steps you just need to perform. Okay. Here just ignore about that. But here I need to install the Docker. Instead of tree, I need to install the Docker. D-O-C-K-E-R, Docker. Will it install or not? Sure, it will be installed just like how we are install the tree package. In the similar way, we can be able to install the Docker package. Here, as we had already declared the variable A, and whatever the package which I had mentioned in the place of A, that package will be successfully installed on the targeted environment or the targeted server. If you want to check the same, Docker --- version, it is going to display. Here the Docker build we have. Okay, fine. Right now, I just want to delete all the packages, whatever the packages which I had installed right now. I just want to remove all the packages from the targeted server. What is the command? Here I am going to use the simple Ad-Hoc command. As you know, how by using the Ad-Hoc command I am going to perform the tasks. Ansible all -ba. Here you just need to mention yum remove. I'm going to remove git. I'm going to remove tree. I'm going to remove docker space -y. It is the Ad-Hoc command. So it is going to uninstall all the required packages. So if you tree here, tree, it is showing no. If you see Docker version, no. Guys, hope you guys understood. Okay. In the similar way, if I want to install, if I want to install the HTTPD service on the target environment, how I can be able to do that? So just please have a look on it. To install the HTTP package, this is the command or YAML script. Just simply type vi master.yml, enter, go to the insert mode, and here you just need to delete each and everything. And simply paste. So as you know, 1, 2, 3, enter. Okay. The YAML file starts with the 3 hyphens and the name. Here if you observe, what is the name? I am going to install the HTTPD package using the Ansible Playbook. On which host I am going to execute? On all the hosts. I just logged as a root user. And task. What are the tasks which I need to execute on the targeted server? First of all, the first task is I am going to install the HTTPD package. And here I just want to install the package, so that's why I'm going to mention the state as present, and the package which need to be installed is HTTPD. And as you know, if I want to use the HTTPD service, after installing that service, I just need to start the service. If I did not start the service, even though I had installed successfully, it is not able to work properly. If I want to use the HTTPD service, First of all, what the thing I need to done is I just need to install the package. Once the package has been installed successfully, I need to start the service. And before executing, just go here. I am going to check system CTL status HTTPD. Enter. No, it isn't dead, inactive. There is no. Here I am going to, the name of the service is HTTPD and the state is started, means it is going to start the service. Simply press escape, semicolon, WQ and execute the playbook. What is the command to execute the playbook? Ansible hyphen playbook space master.yml. This is the YAML file. It is your optional. If you want to set some other name, you can set. Here if you observe, it is going to start the service. First of all, it is going to install the HTTP package, and once it has been successfully installed, what it will be do? It is going to start the service. If you want to check the same, whether it has been successfully running or not, just mention systemctl status HTTPD. Enter. Have to check, is it successfully running? Yes. Okay guys, in this way we can, with the help of playbook, we can automate the tasks, our regular tasks. Hope you guys understood my session. Thank you for joining into my session, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well in order to get the updates whenever I had uploaded any kind of new content or video in YouTube immediately. And at the same time, do not forget to share this channel with your friends who are eagerly looking to learn AWS or Azure or DevOps, anything. That will be really very helpful for them. And thank you so much for joining into my session, and I will meet up you in the next session with a new topic. Until signing off, thank you, bye bye.